Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jila haringkat ka Lyngba ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association Kalapnong ya state level inter-school athletic meet arajal arpandrio kebelawan bani shibenta daki katu gani ki Skul ki bana keleng ke district jong ka jila. Hagati ka sngi dan lang working president ke MSOA uba John F Kharshiing kinong shakhot ngobha ki coach ki miki pa jong ki Ïalehkai bat ki wede ya ketika Lumpung Lepenong Hamadan SAI STC Shillong Nihu campus mau kendro haba jingkran kumbukong san uba Kharshiing ula pediang ngobha ki khna ki bawan bana shimenta ketika Lumpung bat ong baka thong shaga jingjob haga Ïalehkai ka sedang na ki Skul ki club ki bapenong na ki shnong ba ki district ba per dak ba ai mensi mi ki khna ba ki numdu jingkerman watla kimyo ya ki jingjob hakinu ki Ïalehkai ulak dawru baka sarkar jila ka play ka lat ban pentikna ban yo kam sarkar na ka benta ki khun samla ki graduation menta ban job haki Lumpung Ïalehkai ba per ki bahe hadi ka skila kan teuru ya kalama kum kadak ka jing play perda ya ka te Lumpung Ïalehkai ha jinon langru ya assistant director of sports and youth affairs ka sarkar jila IPB war Nongbri DSO ki he sarkar bat ki weipan ki rupa kuman.
Let's have a big round of applause. I now declare the state level inter-school athletic meet 2026 open. May the best man and woman win. We also have with us Mr. Ian Campbell.
I promise that we shall take part in the state level inter-school athletic meet 2026, respecting and abiding by the rules and regulations of World Athletic and Athletic Federations of India that govern them, committing ourselves to athletics without doping and without drugs in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of athletics and the honor of our teams. Thank you.
A grand success. Let us all give a big round of applause. He's a gold medalist in the state level inter-school athletic meet 2025. Behind his Giant Hills is the placard holder of East Giant Hills is Rosie Sana. East Kharshiing is the East and West Kharshiing Hills flag bearer is Kamkoren Tatyan, a gold medalist in the district level 2026 in the 5,000 meters. Flag holder is Leriang Chi Marak. Southwest Baroh Hills flag bearer Ethan Chi Sangma, who's a silver medalist in the high jump 18 years boys, and the placard holder Hegami D. Sangma, under 14 years kids, javelin silver medalist 2025.
Sir.
Of West Kharshiing Hills.
Congratulations to each one of you for earning the opportunity to represent your respective district at the state level meet. Your presence here itself is proof of your hard work, discipline and determination. The journey to success in sports always begins from school, local clubs, villages and districts. And today you are the deserving athletes who have assembled here to compete at the state level. Remember, every Olympian, including Mr. Ian Campbell here, who's here with us from Australia, first started as a young school athlete with a dream. Sports teaches us discipline, perseverance, teamwork, respect, and the spirit of never giving up. Athletics especially is the foundation of all sports. because it develops speed, endurance, strength, focus, and character. I would like to wish the winners who have already, in the progressing to win in the events already conducted earlier. I extend my advance congratulations and best wishes. But equally to those who may not win medals this time, never feel discouraged. Participation itself is a victory. The courage to compete and the determination to continue are the true qualities of a champion. Success does not come overnight. Consistency, discipline, hard work, and patience will one day produce results. As the legendary Olympian Jesse Owens once said, we all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into a reality, it takes determination, dedication, self-discipline, and effort. It also reminds us of the famous words of Usain Bolt, the world record holder in 100 meters, with a 9.58 seconds, and at 200 meters with 19.19 seconds. He reminded the world and said, dreams are free, goals have a cost. While you can dream for free, dreams don't come without hard work. Don't dream of winning, train for it. These inspirational words I hope you will carry with you. To the parents and athletes gathered here today, I would also like to remind you that in another 9 months, as mentioned by our guest, the Assistant Director, that we will host the biggest sporting event in Meghalaya, the 39 National Games in March 2027. It's a historic opportunity for our state. We are obviously deeply grateful to our Honorable Chief Minister, Konrad K. Sangma, and Sri Ïalehkai Shilla, the Sports Minister, for the vision, commitment, and strong support which have transformed the ecosystems of Meghalaya. Today, Meghalaya has cash awards, scholarships for athletes winning at Northeast, regional, zonal, national, and higher levels. The cash award for a national competition in the past for a gold medal has increased from 7,500 to 60,000. There is now some special support for National Games team preparation, exposure, and athlete development. Most importantly, the government of Meghalaya has announced, as mentioned earlier, that if you win a medal at the National Games, you are guaranteed a government job. This is a revolutionary step and a major motivation for young athletes across the state. At the same time, we are witnessing sports infrastructure being developed and upgraded across Meghalaya. Stadiums, training facilities, and sporting venues are gradually taking shape throughout the state. With this growing sports ecosystem, we hope to produce more champions at the national and international levels in the years ahead. But we must also remember that producing champions takes time, patience, scientific training, dedication, and years of hard work. I encourage all of you, athletes, to remain disciplined, focused, and committed to your dreams. Compete with honesty, discipline, sportsmanship, and respect for one another. Winning medals is important, but building character and lifelong values through sports is even more important. May this championship inspire greater unity, friendship, and sporting excellence among all districts of Meghalaya. I recall when we were hosting the 5th Meghalaya Games in Tura. We recall that almost 95% of the athletes from Kharshiing Hills and Giant Hills went to Tura for the first time. We have had today 4 Meghalaya Games. We've even had the Meghalaya Games in in Jaintia Hills, in West Jaintia Hills, in Wahajir, in Jowai. And similarly, almost 98% of athletes from Baroh Hills visited Jaintia Hills for the first time. So we hope that these events also help you to have a cultural exchange, to understand, to increase the bonding and the friendship. And may this championship bring you success, make you yearn for larger accomplishments. I would conclude by saying that a champion is not produced in a gym. A champion is produced out of a deep determination, a passion, a hunger to go to the top. With these few words, I wish the state level school athletics meet 2026 a success and memorable performances. Thank you, Mithana, Kublai, Shibor, Jai Hind, and may God bless all of you. Thank you very much.